We Chinese have this magical piece of equipment that we like to use in the kitchen. It is the mighty cleaver. This is a knife that does everything. Now it looks very intimidating, it's very heavy, but my dad here is going to show us how to properly use a cleaver. And it starts with how to hold a cleaver, right?
Okay. A lot of people hold a cleaver just like this. Okay, that's not right.
Yeah, because you're getting, this can slip on either side, right? You don't want to do that.
Right, like this.
So you want to hold it a little higher on the blade. You're taking your thumb and your index finger and you're pinching the top of it. And then with your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky, you're gripping the handle.
Yes.
Okay, and see, you have so much more control, right? So it's not going to slip out of your hand. Now, with a cleaver, you can do everything that your chef's knife does and then some.
I only use one knife at home. It does everything like chopping, press, slice, and cut, or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, all right. Let's start with the carrot. So in order to chop this, right, there's a way that you really want to secure the thing that you're cutting, right?
Yeah, like you need to
Ah, this is a good
this.
point.
Let it stand.
Yep, if you have something that's round, just cut the piece of bottom off so that's going to be steady, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you hold it like a claw.
Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
You see that control by holding it higher on the blade? And the blade is just riding against the side of your fingers, just like you would if you're using a chef's knife, right?
Yes.
All right, so now you're cutting this into julienne. Great, that's beautiful. Look at these beautiful julienne pieces. I think we really should be doing an infomercial together, right? All right, let's put this aside. Now, show us what you can do with a piece of garlic, because you can julienne this, but then you can also mince this really quickly, right?
So first of all, you need to cut this first.
Cut the end off.
Yeah. And look at that. Okay. It's how easy.
Look at that. Who needs a garlic press? Just take a cleaver and just smash it, right?
Yes.
And take out all your stress.
Yes.
Okay, great. All right, so that's garlic, and you can also cut into a nice dice as well, right?
Okay. Okay.
Again, you're letting the weight of the cleaver do all the work for you. Look at that, beautiful dice. Now we have a piece of ginger. Now you can use a grater to get the flesh out, but you can actually use a cleaver as well.
Yes. Okay. So make sure you
use the back edge of the cleaver and you're like scraping it.
Yes.
And look at all this flesh that's coming out. And here's the best part, all the fibers, you know how ginger can be really fibrous? It stays on the ginger. And what's left is the soft, fleshy part of the ginger. And finally, you can use this to cut meats as well, right?
Yes, yes. First of all, you need to decide how many inches. Like I cut in half.
Now you got nice, thin slices. And look, you're still keeping that claw grip with your left hand as well when you're cutting it. Yeah. It looks great. And look how thin these pieces turned out. It's like you can almost see through it, right? Yeah. So really, it's all about investing in a quality cleaver. You don't want to skimp money on this, right?
Yeah, I think the good quality cleaver is very important because we only use one cleaver.
So really, it's worth investing in a good quality cleaver. It really does wonders in your kitchen, especially if you're cooking Chinese food. Hey, if you like this cleaver, this is our favorite. It's the Shun Classic Meat Cleaver. We've got a link of this below. And if you want recipes from the series, go to our website, americastestkitchen.com/pang.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.